What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving a review of the new, not so new product called the Apple HomePod right after this. Welcome back. Now let's do a quick unboxing and then we can get into the details of what makes the HomePod so special. Okay, so in the box we have the HomePod itself along with the power cord, and as with every Apple product we have some booklets which talk about the basic instructions of how to use it. Okay, so there's this little plastic film on top of it. You can just unpeel this and then we can tear off the paper tabs. Okay, so let's get further into the details of this product. This was Apple's entry into the smart speaker market back in 2018. It was originally released with a $350 price tag. It had a W1 chip inside, and then it appears on the iPad screen. You can select which room it belongs to and a few other things, and then it's all set up. Okay, so in terms of physical features, it stands about 6 inches tall. It has a little screen at the top that has a Siri indicator as well as volume control buttons. Its plug and cord also is not removable. The mesh covering is also sort of squishy. The inside of the HomePod has about 7 tweeters as well as 1 woofer pointing upward. This helps create 360-degree sound. It also has a neat feature where its internal microphones are used to figure out how close it is to a wall and then adjust the levels of sound so that the sound from the HomePod sounds best no matter where it's located within the room. You can contrast that with the HomePod Mini, which lacks the spatial awareness feature, so it can't tune itself to its surroundings. In terms of software features, if you have more than one HomePod, you can put them in separate rooms and the speakers can communicate through AirPlay. Even better, you can also put 2 HomePods into one room and create a stereo pair. Each HomePod automatically detects its placement and adjusts the music so that it's in balance with the other. Also, if you're on a phone call using your iPhone, you can hand it off to the HomePod by just tapping it on top of the HomePod. Other features that Siri allows you to use on the HomePod include setting up timers, and when your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi system, you can send or receive phone calls directly using your HomePod. You can also check your calendar or the weather using Siri on the HomePod. Additionally, you can control home accessories with just your voice. And there are other interesting features as well. Recently, Apple released the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos feature. This feature simulates 5.1 surround sound with either 1 or 2 HomePods. It uses audio effects and filters to model your soundscape as if the sound was coming to you from all directions, and it also provides a much better separation of speech and background music or effects. Another music-related feature is the addition of lossless audio. Lossless audio doesn't discard any information from its audio file. It uses higher bit rates and better sound resolution, which makes it indistinguishable from the master recording. Siri can also recognize the voices of up to 6 different family members on HomePod and create a personalized experience for each person. It also has the intercom feature. With more than one HomePod in the house, you can easily communicate with family members using the intercom feature. You can ask Siri to send a message to the whole house or to individual family members. And, well, we've talked a lot about its features, but it also has a great privacy experience. The HomePod only listens for "Hey Siri." Nothing you say is sent out of your home until you activate Siri with a touch or HomePod hears the words "Hey Siri." When you ask Siri something, your request is associated with a random identifier, not your Apple ID. The HomePod works with your iPhone for requests, like hearing your messages or notes, so they are completed on device without revealing that information to Apple. Now on to the negatives. The HomePod is emblematic of Apple's walled garden approach. There's no Bluetooth support, so you can't play audio from non-Apple products. It's also been discontinued, so it's definitely harder to find. But an easy way to find it would be to go on eBay and do a quick search. In closing, the HomePod was a great speaker, but the smart speaker market was already saturated with Amazon Echoes or Google Homes, which had, $50 price points, so it was hard to break into the market, even with the superior audio that the HomePod has. That was why the HomePod Mini was released a year and a few months ago at the $99 price point, and this HomePod was discontinued. Apple, however, has continued to support the Apple HomePod and has added such features as spatial audio and lossless audio to it. It's also possible that Apple may release a successor to this device in 2022 or 2023. But if you are able to get this HomePod on eBay, I would highly recommend it. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.